I'm Nevada personal injury attorney Michael Becker. If your car was damaged in an accident that was not your fault, then the other driver's insurance company is responsible for your car repair bills, as well as the cost of renting a similar vehicle while yours is in the shop. You can wait to repair the car until the insurance company pays up. Or you can pay for the repairs yourself and seek reimbursement from the insurance company afterwards. Note that if the at-fault driver is uninsured, you can sue the at-fault driver personally. Or if you carry uninsured motorist insurance, which is strongly advised, you can seek payment from your own insurer. And if you carry optional collision insurance, which is also strongly advised, your insurer must pay for your repair costs no matter who is at fault. If your vehicle is totaled, which means that the cost of repair, excluding painting, is 65% or more of the vehicle's fair market value, the insurer must then pay you the fair market value of your car up to the policy limit minus any applicable deductible. In any case, having an experienced personal injury attorney is the best way to increase your chances of getting quick compensation for your car repairs. And your lawyer can also make sure you receive the maximum value if your vehicle is totaled.